Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with part 3 of the Extreme Kitchen Makeover series. So today I'm feeling very excited because I'll be making windows for the first time. So this is the window that was in the kitchen. This is huge, guys. It measures 6 by 3 feet. So we took it down and we took off the strips from it because we don't want any more design on it. We're just gonna keep it plain. So at the moment I'm pulling the frame apart to take out the glass because we are going to cut it in two to make 2 separate windows. So this part of the job is very risky because if I break this glass, our budget would increase, and that is what I don't want. And moreover, dark glass is very expensive. I'm using some WD-40 just to help loosen this stubborn rubber seal. This window was made years ago, so this piece of glass is thoroughly fixed in between this rubber seal. So this is the other window, guys, that we're going to put into the prep kitchen. So I had this window before, so that's why I'm just reusing it. So remember, in the prep kitchen I had to build up the wall, put on a foot on the wall, you know, to decrease the size of the window. So now I'm just going to take off a foot off this, and we're going to take off the design as well. We're going to keep this one plain also. So we're going to take both glasses to the window shop and to get them cut. Now I'm at the window shop. I had to buy a length of the frame to make up the other 2 windows. So when you buy the aluminum frame at the window shop, there is a saw provided. So now I'm doing the measurement and I'll be cutting up these frames. So when I'm done, I'll give it back to them and they will do the punching of the holes. So they will punch out the lock holes and the screw holes and some little slots. They would cut them, you know, the slots, so I can join the frame together. So they providing that service was an advantage for me, because if that was not done, I would not be able to make these windows. So now I'm back home with all the pieces. This is like a jigsaw puzzle. I'm trying to figure them out and put them together before I start with the assembly. Now I'm installing the lock into the hole that was punched at the window shop. Now I'm placing the rubber seal around the glass. Now I'm adding the metal wheels into the bottom rail. Now I'm adding the 4 pieces of aluminum rails around the glass. Now I'm going to screw the rails together. So looking at it, guys, it may seem pretty easy, but it is not. The measurement has to be exact. It has to be precise, because after we're done fit up the windows, if the windows are out of square, they won't be able to slide properly. Now I'm adding 2 pieces of felt weather stripping on the bottom frame just to prevent dust and debris from entering the house. So now I'm going to do the insulation. As you can see, I have the frame pieces all cut up, so I'm going to install them. So guys, I keep mixing up the names, the frame, the rail, you have the interlock, a bottom track, vertical rail. I just keep mixing up the names all the times. So what I do whenever I'm buying anything from the window shop, I will just get a sample of what I want, if I can find it, and I just ask them to sell me a length of this or that, and when they print the receipt, that is how I learn the names. Now I'm installing the bottom and the top track. Now I'm adding the vertical frame. So if you have not watched part 2, maybe you're wondering what is going on here. So right where I'm standing, guys, we are going to place a block wall right here, right in this section. So we're going to block it up now. So in the meantime, I'll be dressing this window space, this area that we cut out, and in a few days I will install the window. So guys, I'm back in the prep kitchen. So we painted the windowsill and I install the window. So we just paint this part alone and install the window. So I'm still doing some more work in here, guys. I'm still dressing the inside of the wall. So look out for part 4, in which I'll be doing the tiling or the cupboards. Thank you for watching and bye. I'll see you in the next one.